In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or adjust the text cursor indicator size on your Windows 11 tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select the text cursor option. And where it says size, you can drag it to left or right to make it bigger or smaller. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.